This is for the parents of students at Harbor Light School that are in HL Mod Tech. There are 4 ways to keep track of the things your students are doing. Let's go with the first one, Instagram. If you follow us on HL Mod Tech, we post tons of cool things the students are doing. If you click these, they are all videos or pictures, and there's comments you can add. You can commend your student or other students for the cool things they've done, or just let us know cool things that you see happening. Second one is Facebook. This has a lot of the same Instagram post and some other comments. It is a neat way to communicate, more like a stream of comments, which is really nice. We also have the YouTube channel, and on the YouTube channel there are 1,200 or so videos about things we've done. If your student says that they're in the aerospace module, you can search for aerospace activities to see some of the stuff we have for them to do. A lot of these will be projects that were also on Instagram that we've moved to YouTube. But some of them are also just live things that we've recorded in our classroom and added to our YouTube channel as well. So it's another fantastic way for you to keep up with the things we're doing. And then the last social media we use is Twitter. Once again, it is at HL Mod Tech. And you'll see tons of cool things about all the projects that we do in class. And then also you'll notice that I'm a fan of the Lions, the Red Wings, and all those teams. But the most important thing is your students' cool work will show up here as well. So take the time to follow us on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube. You can friend HL Mod Tech or follow on Twitter. Thanks for taking time to watch the video, and I hope you take time to become a part of the HL Mod Tech community.